Everyone, Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's June 26th. We're getting closer to this report coming up on Friday. We're going to see acreage report as well as quarterly stocks. But the main focus is not that. The main focus right now and will currently be weather. So that's certainly a main topic of interest right now. And once again, we've got things looking extremely warm across the Corn Belt over the next few days. Wednesday, Thursday, temperatures reaching up into hundreds around a lot of the Corn Belt. There was some rain that was added to the forecast for certain areas of the northern parts of the Corn Belt for Friday and Saturday. Not a lot. And right now, we need to see some pretty good rain totals in order to give some relief out there. So with that said, still the extended forecast does have a little bit of rain in it. The 6 to 10 day, they backed off some of the bigger totals that we could have seen. But as we know, the forecasts are going to continue to change. So watch that. Stay in touch with that. That's where these markets are moving right now. Corn up 30 cents today. We did have 60-cent limits, but we did go 30 cents higher, closing at a pretty good level and still remaining pretty friendly. Beans down about 12 3/4, with wheat up about 6. So beans are taking a little bit of a break here today after seeing a pretty impressive run over the last 7 days. We'll see what happens there. Some guys are talking about potential 2 million acre increase on beans, maybe setting beans back a little bit, but still the focus overall is going to be the weather. We can see an increase in bean acres and corn acres, but if we don't get the rain, that increase isn't really going to matter much. So as I mentioned, the rain's still the biggest factor as we get closer to that report. Some of the outside markets today, the dollar down about 14 cents, so giving back some of the gains that it had yesterday, as well as crude oil maybe jumping up about 17 cents right now, sitting at 79.40. Still looking to be in a pretty sharp downtrend there for crude, and the energies as a whole still pretty negative at this point. Looking at the livestock, fat cattle up about 35 cents today. We're still waiting for cash to trade this week. Expectations are to see us about $1 lower. But as far as box beef there at midday, choice up $1.18, select dropping back about 9 cents. So that maybe gave a little bit of support overall. Looking at the hogs, kind of mixed. The July up 25, August down 25. So a little bit of spreading going on right now. Futures may have found a top in here for now as we get closer to this July 4th weekend or July 4th holiday. And the cash market's still looking to find that top yet. Still remaining pretty strong at this point. So if we do continue to see cash stay stronger, futures may try to find a little bounce from that as well. But so far, we are off these highs quite a bit as far as futures. I want to remind everybody out there that we have a webinar tonight. As we've been saying and stating for the last several days, weather is a big part of this rally. Stay in tune with us. We've got a webinar tonight, and we're going to be talking about the weather. And, it'll be a great opportunity for you guys to really catch up on what's going on out there and really get a handle on what things could look like here for the next several weeks and throughout the growing season. So it's a great opportunity for you. You can register right online, allendale-inc.com. Right at the top of the page, click on that link, and you can get registered. But that is at 8 o'clock Central Time. So feel free to do that. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything. Just get logged on and keep up with things that are going on. If you have any issues or problems, feel free to give us a call over here, 800-262-7538. And I hope you guys had a great day today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.